Traders, it's 2023. Welcome to a best time frame that we are gonna be teaching you this first week of January 2nd to the 6th. So this is your very first week of trading Forex. So happy new year to everyone. I want to wish everybody the best of the best, and let's get to work. So today we're gonna present you guys how to day trade here in 2023 day trading strategy. So the very first pair that I'm gonna give you on this very first 2023 trading channel, it is AUDUSD. Boom. Look at what I'm gonna teach you here, guys. This is very important for everyone to pay attention. This is a fresh new year. Always look at what the 4 hours and daily time frame is doing. That will make you a better trader on this brand new day trading 2023 trading strategy. All right, so now once you know what your dashboard is telling you, we always looking for 4 hours and daily to go in the same direction. So always pay attention that these two time frames here are identical. Like right now, 4 hours and daily is contradicting. So 2022 left us on the in the middle of nowhere. So this is a brand new year, so I'm gonna give you knowledge. So what I'm seeing here is the multiple time frame is in here. Our TW sniper entry is here. Our white arrow multiple time frame is here. Look at the stairs, guys. When the market is selling, it will be giving you this solid stairs telling you the market here it is bearish. So why is the 4 hours telling us to 5 minutes the market is bullish? That is the question of the year, right? So here it is. Multiple time frame is saying the market here is giving us a pullback. How far is AUDUSD is gonna go as a pullback? This is me, guys. Let me delete everything so you can see it. So basically, like I said, market is solid buying. So market is gonna go all the way to your 23.6 Fibonacci. One more time, retesting this previous multiple time frame here. Then from here, 2023 will be selling all the way to your mid 50 to your 61 Fibonacci level. Then we're gonna get small retracement. That is what I'm seeing here on a day trading profit in 2023 day trading channel, guys. So let me know in the comment below if anyone has any question. And I want to remind everyone, guys, you can get mentored by me if you want. All you have to do, click on the join button, the join our merch, and you will be getting private one-on-one. A lot of traders, charge for this hundreds of dollars, and all you're gonna pay here in 2023 is only $9.99. So make sure everybody click on that join button if you want to. All right, let's move on to the next pair of the week, guys. This is a brand new year, super excited. So here it is, USDCHF. Look at the dashboard, guys. Before you don't look at the weekly analysis that I just gave you. Let me make all this very small. Don't look at the real data yet. Look at this. This is very important to trade our TW sniper entry with the multiple time frame. Look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard saying? What was the 4 hours and daily and weekly telling us here? It's telling us the market here is only selling. That's all it's doing, right? Let me put an arrow here so you can see it. It's telling us the market is only selling. Look at here. Multiple time frame is here. TW sniper entry is here. Look at the stairs that I just mentioned in the previous pair. Look, when the market is selling, it will give you a solid red stairs coming down. So you see this? So here, market boom, drop. That's exactly what you are getting here. So that's why it's very important to get mentor or get that one-on-one one time. All you have to do is join, guys. $9.99 or $39.99 is the best deal you're gonna ever have. So now that you know what the market is doing, it's time for you to understand what are you gonna be doing on the very first week of the year, right? So let me go ahead and fix this. Here it is. This is what I'm seeing here, guys. market is selling, it's very clear. So market will be pushing down. Remember, market is selling, don't get confused. So market is gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame 1s, multiple time frame 3, multiple time 4, multiple time 5, multiple time 6, and then market is gonna come back and retest this multiple time frame levels in here, and from here we are expecting to see a pullback retesting all the way to your 38.2 Fibonacci level. Why that level? Because here's multiple time frame 1s, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then market will do a small retracement. That is exactly what I'm seeing here on USDCHF. So guys, what do you guys think about this? How to trade in 2023 day trading strategy? If this makes sense to you, please let me know in the comment below, guys. It's best for you to join our merch so you will never ever miss any content from us. All right, let me show you the next pair. The next one, it is cat JPY. Look at this one. If there is any pair that you want me to analyze on this 2023 years, let me know in the comment below. I will do it for you. I will not charge you a penny. It's all for free. All right, so let's go ahead and see what the market is doing here. Look, I'm gonna teach you knowledge, guys. It's a new year, so everybody need knowledge here for free. Hell yeah, man. But look, I'm gonna teach you something amazing. Look at here, multiple time frame is contradicting. 4 hours and daily are going in a different direction, right? So when you have this type of trades like that, you gotta be careful, because look, I'm just giving you knowledge, but if you don't follow what the original trend is doing, then this business is not gonna work for you. Look at what multiple time frame is doing here. Boom, selling. TW sniper entry. Remember, don't forget, when the market is selling, market will be giving you a red solid coming down. What is the difference in real time? Real time here, multiple time frame is here, TW sniper entry is here. Look at this stair. The stair is just commencing, guys. This is a brand new stair right in here, commencing, telling us that 2023 will most likely retest this previous multiple time frame that we were seeing as a sell position. How much did the market drop? Market drop here, what? 1400 pips. So we do have in 2023 a potential to regain those feedbacks as a bullish trend. All right, so that's what I'm seeing. Look at here, let me show you so you can see it. Stay with me, guys. This is very important. This is very important. I don't want none of you guys to blow your account, because everyone should be earning hundreds and hundreds of pips trading the market, and that it is very important. Guys, so this is what I'm seeing here in real time. Look at here, multiple time frame is 1, multiple time frame white arrow is here, TW sniper entry with this stair is just commencing. Look at here, 1 stair, 2 stair, 3 stairs. So this is what I'm seeing here on the market, guys. Market will be pushing back one more time to the previous multiple time frame, and from there we are looking to see a potential pullback retesting this previous multiple time frame 1s, multiple time frame 2, 3, 4, and potential 5, and then we're gonna see a pullback. What do you guys think so far, guys? If this makes sense, let me know in the comment below, guys, and make sure everybody subscribe, guys. It's very important. If any one of you guys want to get mentored by me, make sure you click on the join button and you join, guys. It's $9.99. 2023 is not gonna hurt you. All the people charge hundreds and hundreds of dollars to give you what I'm giving you, but I'm gonna be giving you straightforward what I'm looking for on the market, how to look for entry, how to look for exit, and and so forth. There's a lot more. So if you think this what you are seeing here impress you, I will make sure that on the other side of the aisle you will get it. I'm gonna get into your brain so you can learn how to master this magnificent Forex trading business in 2023. So day trading strategy. All right, so let me show you another beautiful pair of the year 2023, and that it is, guys, GBPUSD. Boom! Look at this magnificent trade, guys. Look at the dashboard. Don't look at the candles yet. Look at the dashboard. This is amazing. This is what everybody should be trading, guys. Oh my God. Look at what the dashboard is saying. What is the dashboard saying? Are we in a buy or in a sell? Look at what 4 hours is saying. 4 hours and daily is telling me, Irving, the market here is only going in one direction only, and that it is selling. Look at what multiple time frame with the TW sniper entries do, and they both are together. Even our Y multiple time frame is here. Look at the solid stairs. Where's the solid stair doing? Look at that. Sell, 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 and boom! Market drop exactly what you are seeing here on the trend. That's the original trend. If that makes sense? Oh yeah! I didn't hear you. If that makes sense? Oh yeah! Oh yeah, you better believe that. Now, Irving, if the market is selling, what are you expecting to see on the market? This is what I'm expecting to see, guys. Market is gonna come back and make a small retracement, right? Retesting previous multiple time frame in here. Boom. Then what are we looking for this very first week of January 2nd to the 6th, 2023, trading our Forex day trading strategies. What I'm seeing here is that, let me delete everything so you will not get confused. So what I'm seeing here, market will do a small retracement, coming back to this previous multiple time frame, and then from here market will make a pullback, retesting your 38 to your 50 Fibonacci level. Why this level? There's previous levels in here that they had a hard time to break. There's previous multiple time frame in here and so forth. So from there market will continue selling this. Don't forget that the original trend on GBPUSD is only selling. If you do not know how to trade pullback, stay away. Wait for the market, to be honest, wait for the market to come back and meet you right where you want to be, and then from there, boom, you can go with the trend. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, guys. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose. If you don't know how to trade, all you have to do is get mentored by me. Click and join our perks, our membership, and you will be getting knowledge on the other side of the aisle. What do you guys think so far, guys? Is these all 4 pairs that I gave you today? GBPUSD, CAD-JPY, USDCHF, AUDUSD make sense? Make sure everybody subscribe. I want to thank everybody for having a wonderful 2023 last year, guys. Enjoy it, enjoy your family, and happy, healthy 2023 day trading strategy, guys. So I will see you guys back on the other side of the aisle. So I love you guys, and God bless you and the world, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. Peace out.